Hi, in this video I will give you short review about GoPro Hero5 Black. I hope this review helps you. Here is my review. I bought this camera right before vacationing in Fiji after seeing a friend's GoPro 5. It worked flawlessly and we got some pretty amazing video of ziplining, snorkeling and hiking. The underwater shots are worth the money alone. I also bought an accessory pack to have as many mounting options as possible, which really paid off. I would recommend purchasing a 64GB micro SIM to increase the recording time, an accessory kit for mounting, and at least one spare battery with an external charger. The battery that comes with the GoPro is only good for approximately an hour, but the optional 64GB card will record for 4 hours at 1080p. GoPro has free software to edit your video and compile videos for posting online or whatever. iMovie on Mac works well too. You can either download your video via the included USB cable or just pop the micro SD card out of the GoPro. Place it in the included standard-sized South Dakota adapter that will fit into your computer South Dakota slot. Note, you will need a laptop or some kind of computer to download and post video. There is an app for iPhone or iPad which might work for posting, but I haven't explored this option since I had a laptop with me, which made it easy to download and post. If you want to know more reviews about this product, please click link in description below.